let's evaluate this definite integral. That is, we have to evaluate integral from -2 to 9 f of x dx. And here we can use this property of definite integral. That is, integral from a to b f of x dx. And this equals integral from a to c f of x dx plus integral from c to b f of x dx, where c is the point which lies between a and b. And so we can split this integral into two parts as integral from -2 to 1 f of x dx plus integral from 1 to 9 f of x dx, since 1 lies between -2 to 9. We split this as like this because we have the definition of function in terms of the breaker point at x equal to 1. So we have to write down as like this. Now for the first integral, we can use the definition of the f of x when x is less than 1. So f of x equal to x when x is less than 1. So I'm going to replace f of x as x in the first integral, plus for the second integral, the limit is from 1 to 9, so it is x is greater than 1. So we can use this definition of f of x, that is 1 by x. So I replace f of x by 1 by x for the second integral. Now we have to integrate this and apply the limits. So for the first integral, when we use the power rule, we put x raised to the power of 1 plus 1 and then divided by 1 plus 1. And this has to be evaluated between the limits -2 to 1. Plus for the second integral, integration of 1 by x is natural logarithm of absolute value of x. And this has to be evaluated from between the limits 1 to 9. Now we have to simplify this. So this equals x raised to the power of 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. This is from -2 to 1, and plus natural logarithm of absolute value of x. This has to be evaluated from 1 to 9. So now let's apply the upper limit and lower limit. So this equals, we put the 1 here, so it becomes 1 squared by 2 minus, now we put the lower limit, that is -2, so it becomes -2 square divided by 2. Now let's evaluate this integral by applying the upper limit and lower limit. So therefore this becomes a natural logarithm of absolute value of 9 when you apply the upper limit, and then natural logarithm of absolute value of 1 when you apply the lower limit. So let's simplify this. This is 1 square is 1, and 1 divided by 2 minus -2 square is 4. So it is -4 by 2, which is 2. So it becomes -2 plus we know the value of natural logarithm of 1 equals 0. So this is basically 0. So we will have only natural logarithm of absolute value of 9. Now let's simplify this fraction, that is half minus 2, which is minus 3 by 2, plus natural logarithm of 9. So we can put this using this calculator. When we do that and approximate to some decimal equivalent, we get approximately 0.6972. So this is the value of the definite integral.